Super slick, super slick. These braking zones are not braking zones, they're slip and slide zones. Oh, don't start raining. No. Oh, gotta be very careful on this throttle, because since turning this KTM into an absolute animal, see, it just, oh my god, it wants to rip your arms off. I think that's why I've got arm pump. It's a little bit crazy. Like the 2024s are so much smoother than this. Whoa! Okay, I did it again. Ugh. Launched it into the whoops. I'm not Tomac. Nice to open up the bike a bit though, because it never gets opened up ever, so as I hear in the comment sections quite a lot. Uh-oh. Jumps. Not good at jumps. Or corners. Or anything else for that matter. Oh, I've done the wrong line. Is there a wrong line? What is that beast in front of me? An old school KLX, is it? That's mega. Even got KLX and number plate, so people like me can understand what it is. I need to swap lines here. Do you know what I'm not good at? Passing people. Which is why I would suck in a race. Because if I started last, I would just stay last. It's pretty much how it goes. There's not much I can do here. Might just cut the course. And that's how you pass someone cheating. Leg over your shoulders, swing it in, goodbye. And then you feel amazing, like so good, and you're like, oh my god, I can take corners and stuff. And then someone who can actually take corners comes up behind you, like right now, and just sends it. He's got a Mohican. I like that. He's gone outside, he's gone outside. Where's the sun when you need it? Well, we need it all year, but still, it'd be nice to pop out once in a while. I'm not lying, that little drop nearly broke my ankle. Oh, so slippery, look at it. Can you see it? It's shiny. Which is crazy, because when I watched that Super Motocross, that new hybrid course that Deegan won on, oh my god. They make it look so easy, but all the shiny bits like here is so slippery. I should really enter that, because that'd probably be amazing, but nice to be humble sometimes. Oh, okay. That was a big shunt. So it was nice riding with Rob and Adam while it lasted. I think it was 35 seconds. Whoa! That is so slippery, that bit. It's my second lap and I'm dead. For those of you that have been on the channel for quite a while, you'll notice some repetitiveness going on here, which is I moan about I can't corner, I'm unfit, I can't do jumps, I don't ride that well, and nothing improves. It's actually insane when I think about it. Go on, boy. Did I just say go on, boy? Well, that wasn't very nice. Could have been a girl. Either way, stupid thing to say. You can use mate, because that's boy or girl, isn't it? To be fair though, over the last, what, 2 years I've been doing these, a lot more girls attending the sport, which is very nice to see. Very nice to see. It's not just a man sport or a boy sport. A lot of girls are a million times better than me. Doesn't take much. Oh, who am I kidding? Marvis is out. I need to stop putting myself down and give myself a little bit more confidence. I am the best. I am the best. Oh, that hurt. See, it's hard to overtake because everyone's fast in a straight line, like me. And this bit, I'm going to stay back here because, yeah, it's a straight line. I just suck at passing people. I need to do better. Ugh. Okay, well I passed two. That's a sly move up the inside. The only problem I have with passing people is I feel like they'll just pass me back, so I don't want to kind of pass anyone and then hold them up. I think I'm just too much of a nice guy. Oh, came in hot. Hotter than toast, bro. Although, toast ain't that hot. Okay, hotter than a hot pot. Hotter than flames, bruh. Those Bunsen burner flames. Going back to the KTM 890 that I just cannot sell to save my life. Does everyone else think I should just trash it? Try and get like 3 videos out of it before it ends up in a ball of flames? Because I think that's a really good idea. So we'll see. we will have to work out the calculations on how much that bike cost me and how much I'll make back. I don't mind losing some, I just don't want to lose the whole lot. But obviously, if anyone wants it, let me know and you can have it. I say have it, you can pay for it, but it will be the cheapest in the country, I guarantee you. Whoa! I'm sitting down a lot now because I'm quite tired. I could do with another sip of electrolytes. Okay, stand up. Ooh. All right. Oh, my bike really likes this new spark plug. It really, really, really likes it. Can't believe I ever put a stupid one on. I'm just so like lazy, I can never be bothered to change anything. When I went to that handlebar test day, it was so funny. Because when we turned up, he's like, yeah, he gave me a set of handlebars. He's like, yeah, just stick them on and see how you think. I went straight up to Gaz and I was like, we have to fit these ourselves. Because I've never fit a set of handlebars in my life. It actually turned out to be quite easy, but I get really, I don't know, overwhelmed with, whoa, corners like that. These events are really good in winter as well because they have lots of woods courses, like 15, 18 mile woods courses, which are mega. If you haven't seen them, they're on my channel somewhere if you want to have a look what to expect this winter. Don't expect me to improve, that's a big ask. Oh my god, you have to be so easy on the throttle on this stuff. Should be pretty easy for me then. I'm a smooth operator. I'm gonna let all these guys go. What is that? That's cool. Is that 500? No. Another reason why I don't race, I think I just let everyone pass. God, I'm such a good guy. Wow. Whoa, that is slippery. Let's go into third and plod through this before you absolutely wipe yourself out. I don't think I could do like 2 hours of this. I get bored pretty fast. Oh my god, that's another reason I don't race. Oh, no, you're on the slanty bits. By the way, I always forget to mention that if you like this viewpoint on the camera, the mounts are in the description. I've left a link in the description. Also, if you'd like my camouflage kit that I'm wearing, you won't be able to see it, so I don't know if you'll like it. Not because it's not in the video. I mean, there it is, but it just looks like a floating glove. But there's also a link to that in the description. There's a link to the other stuff I use in the description. I never say it enough. I'm not forcing you to buy anything or, you know, whatever. Just, I see a lot of comments, and if you just look in the description of videos, you'll see what you're looking for. Oh, I'd love to double that, but then I'd land there and I'd fly into that tree. I'm slowing down a little bit now because I'm getting a little bit tired, so excuse me if I'm not racing around like Billy Bolt like I was. Oh my god, these are huge. I know a lot of you didn't like that 360 view. I could have messed around with it a bit and the settings, but oh, I did give a lot more feel to what the terrain's like with a GoPro. Is like, hey, why don't you ride on this carpet all day? Why are you tired? It's just a carpet. It just doesn't give that perception of what the terrain's actually like. But you can hear my engine, how bumpy it is. Ah. Oh yeah, hang on, I remember this bit's a bit sketchy. Ah! Oh my god, I'm tired.